and they're very professional.
But you've seen naman yung acting ni Ate Jane mo, like, you admire naman yung kay RK.
Yes, they're very good actors and actresses. And honestly, I'm very excited to watch it because it looks very good.
Yeah, ikaw, what's your dream project?
Dream project?
Yeah.
Like
Anything, any genre, anything, any...
Actually, I just want to do anything. Kahit maybe... wait lang.
Like this year, anong goal mo this year? Meron ka ba?
No, I don't have any.
Okay, you, how about you?
Actually po, nakasama ko na po si Kuya RK
Mm.
sa Maalaala.
Ay, yeah.
So, super excited po ako makita yung dito kasi nakita ko po yung trailer. It seems very interesting. It's about a couple raising a child together without the traditional framework of marriage. So, super excited po ako kasi it seems like a refreshing genre, modern take on parenthood. So, yeah, super excited po.
Gusto mo na rin ba mag-Cinemalaya? Of course.
Of course
Hindi.
po.
What can you say sa acting ni RK since you worked with him and
super-
how he has grown since ano kayo?
Opo, naalala ko po sa Naala-alam Kaya. Siya po kasi naging tatay ko po sa Naala-alam Kaya. And grabe po, nakaka-resonate po talaga ako sa acting niya. Super, mag-feel niyo po talaga emotions niya. Parang, he really portrays the characters he plays very, very well. And dahil doon na, nagiging inspired din po ako sa acting niya to do better. So, ayun po yung masasabi ko. Kaya, for this movie, I can't wait to see his acting kasi it's very inspirational.
Would you have acting? You have goal projects? Kahit ano
Goal
lang?
projects. Gusto ko po
Movies.
sana mag-star sa isang horror movie.
Ah, really?
Mahilig po kasi ako sa
Sa horror.
Opo,
Wow.
kaya, ayan po.
Parang you're so sweet to be in a horror
thank you.
movie.
Ano po kasi, mahilig po ako sa mga horror stories, especially yung mga The Ring, yung mga Japanese mythology na horror.
Pero Sophia, you also want to be part of Cinemalaya,
Of course naman po, yes. I do.
Mga film fest, you're interested? Like, are you inspired?
I'm open to everything. 'Cause I think it's a new experience for me. So everything's gonna be a new experience, and I'll be excited to try it each and every one.
Okay. Thank you, Sophia. Ito si Miguel. Ayaw. Ito lang. Just one. Ano lang. Of course, what can you say kay Ate Jean and RK? I'm sure you've seen their other projects.
Nakita ko po yung trailer po. Parang tatatak ko sa puso ng mga Pilipino po yung show na to. Kasi something new po. And magagaling po yung mga artista si RK, si Ate Jean.
Ikaw, gusto mo rin share? Nagsinimulaya ka na ba?
Hindi pa po. Pero kasama po namin si Sophia, si RK po. Tatay niya po.
Ay, ikaw rin pala. Naging tatay niyo. Lahat kayo naging tatay niyo na si RK. Saan niyo naging tatay si RK?
Sa Nangumiti ang Langit po.
Oh my gosh, ang liit niyo pa na. Oh my God! Ilan taon kayo, no?
11 po yan.
Where we've grown so much. Okay, so what can you say? What was it like working with RK? Do you remember? Do you still remember?
Ano po yung palaging ka-excited ni Kuya RK?
Kuya RK is very nice actually, and he's very funny. Like, kahit work siya, it's still like a nice environment because there's no like, it's like it's just, how do you say it? Like it's chill.
Chill lang. Okay. How about you? Yeah.
Minsan ko lang po nakatrabaho si Kuya RK po sa show din, pero masaya po siya.
So gusto nyo rin sana, nasa goal mo rin ba, Miguel, yung magkaroon ka ng project na pang Cinemalaya, mga ganun, of
Siyempre
course.
po, lahat po ng project.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Jane, no, andito yung mga Star Magic Freshies and yung mga naging anak mo sila. Ano lang yung action na-inspire sila sa inyo to mag-Cinemalaya to have beautiful projects din. Yun lang naman.
Ano yun?
Ano yung reaction na na-inspire sila na magkaroon ng magandang projects and may admiration sila sa inyo?
Siyempre kami nandito kami sa sitwasyon namin eh. Nag-idolot din kami ng ginawa sa amin. So it's something we appreciate that. So
okay, parang hindi ko nga naisip yun na gano'n eh. Pero nakakatuwa that they're here to support us din. And yun nga, we were once us then, I guess, also
Inspired,
yeah.
by other actors ahead of us. So, that'll be good.
Yeah.
And I hope gusto nila yung love siya.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sige na, start up.
Thank you.
Kung ano man yung maramdaman nyo, ma-share nyo sa mga, sa family and friends nyo. Kasi yun po talaga ang gusto namin mangyari. Ipasa natin yung experience na to of watching the film. So, yun lang po. Again, thank you very much and we hope you enjoy the movie.
Okay, before we ask, I want to ask the takeaways after watching the movie. Ano ang mga magiging baon naming lesson after namin?
Mga luha, unang-una. Hindi, yung understanding siguro ng struggles and sacrifices ng parents and yung unconditional love na meron sila. Siguro after ng movie, mapapatext ka sa mom mo, sa dad mo. And pati na rin siguro yung, kung sinabi ko, yung pagiging amazed natin or nalilito ako sa boses ko. Naririnig ko yung boses ko. Sorry. Hindi yun, pero saludo kami sa mga moms and
Ang takeaway na gusto rin namin, family that deals with autism, gusto namin magkaroon sila ng kasama. Parang gusto namin na maintindihan nila yung, alam nilang may nakakaintindihan so after watching the film. So again, help us